I chose Fisher because I love Columbus, all the small businesses here and all the opportunities that Columbus brought. I think the biggest thing Fisher did for me to meet my educational goals was they gave me a lot of opportunities and exposed me to a lot of worlds that I wouldn't have been able to see beforehand. I was able to be exposed to the world of social entrepreneurship, which is something that I had never heard of before coming here. So I took a global project within Fisher to Nepal to work with a nonprofit called 7 Women, and I worked there for 2 weeks. What 7 Women is they work to employ marginalized women in the area, give them different business skills, and kind of lead them towards economic development and entrepreneurship. That entire project definitely changed my life and geared me towards working to empower women in the business world and in the nonprofit worlds today. So that entire trip led me to where I'm gonna be after graduation now. Right after graduation, I'm gonna be working with a nonprofit, which is a social enterprise that works to employ and empower survivors of trafficking through a catering business and a soon-to-be cafe and bakery. And from there, I just wanna expose myself to all different social enterprises. Fisher actually has so many little niche organizations and niche classes for the students that are looking to take a little bit of an unconventional business route, and for that I'm really grateful